हाय गाइस, आई एम बैक। मैं पूजा हंसनीकर आप सबका मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत करती हूँ। आई नो आज आप मुझे बहुत अलग अंदाज में देख रहे होंगे। एक कोविड के सिचुएशन में हाउ पीपल बी, मैं इस अंदाज में आपसे आज बात करने के लिए आई हूँ। या मुझे कोविड पॉजिटिव डिटेक्ट किया गया है लास्ट संडे, दैट इज़ ऑन 2nd Jan, and I wanted to share the complete journey of how I'm been detected as COVID positive and what is I am going through. तो ये मेरा जर्नी जो है, wanted to talk and wanted to highlight some points जो मेरे नज़रों में आई है, which can help you all to take a proper decision. Which mistakes I have done, probably you will not do that. तो this regarding ये कंप्लीट वीडियो विल बी अ अवेयरनेस वीडियो, आप लोगों को हेल्प बहुत करने वाला है। सो मेरे साथ अंत तक ज़रूर बने रहिएगा और ये वीडियो बहुत लोगों तक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा क्योंकि इट इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प। सो बेसिकली आई बिलोंग टू ए नवी मुंबई एरिया कॉलेज वाशी सानपाड़ा, एंड 31st से ही मुझे नॉर्मल फीवर एंड कफ एंड कोल्ड हो गया था। सो नॉर्मल कफ एंड कोल्ड था तो यूजुअली हमें कोविड के कोई सिम्टम्स इतने सीरियस हमें नहीं पता रहता है कि कोविड में फीवर आता है या क्या आता है। वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, और मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा था ही नहीं कि मुझे कोविड हुआ है या मुझे अभी ओमिक्रॉन का केस चल रहा था। सो आई वॉज नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट कि मुझे क्या हो रहा है। सो जब मुझे कोविड डिटेक्ट हो गया, आई टेल यू प्रोसेस कि मुझे कोविड कैसे डिटेक्ट हुआ। जैसे मैं बता रही थी, 31st ऑनवर्ड से नॉर्मली माइल्ड सिम्टम्स थे और हमें नहीं पता चलता कि हमें फीवर है या क्या है। लाइक फीवर इस कोविड के सिम्टम्स या क्या हमें नहीं पता रहता। सो मैं यूजुअली नॉर्मली पैरासीटामोल, डोलो या ऐसे ऐसे टैबलेट हम खा लेते हैं। एक माइल्ड फीवर था, माइल्ड सर्दी एंड कफ था, इट वॉज वेरी माइल्ड फॉर मी। सो 31st मैंने मेडिसिन लिया और 31st इवनिंग आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप वेल एट नाइट। देन नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग फिर मैंने मेडिसिन लिया, आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप वेल एट नाइट इवन 31st। देन सेकेंड जो था वो संडे का टाइम था एंड मंडे आई हैड टू गो टू माई स्कूल। तो मेरे जैसे स्कूल में बच्चे आने वाले थे थर्ड ऑनवर्ड। सो आई डेंट वांटेड टू टेक एनी रिस्क, आई डेंट वांटेड टू फील, मतलब आई डेंट वांटेड टू डू लाइक कि मेरे वजह से किसी को मैं ऐसे खांस रही हूँ या मुझे सर्दी हुई है, मेरे वजह से किसी को और इन्फेक्शन ना हो करके आई थॉट टू लेट्स गो टू द डॉक्टर एंड टेक अ मेडिसिन। क्योंकि एक अच्छे से मेडिसिन ले लेती हूँ जो रादर देन जस्ट हैविंग अ डोलो और अ पैरासीटामोल, मैं एक अच्छा एंटीबायोटिक ले लेती हूँ। फॉर दैट आई टॉक टू माई पेरेंट्स। तो संडे का दिन था, संडे के दिन को डॉक्टर्स अवेलेबल नहीं होते। सो वॉट आई टोल्ड माई पेरेंट्स इज़ दैट कि एटलीस्ट आई गो एंड टेक एन RT-PCR टेस्ट, कि उससे अगर मेरे RT-PCR टेस्ट से मैं स्कूल जा सकती हूँ, दैट नो बडी विल हैव एनी ऑब्जेक्शन इवन इफ आई एम कफिंग, माई RT-PCR सेज दैट आई डोंट हैव अ कोविड, देन इट्स ओके। लाइक दैट वॉज माई पॉइंट। सो मेरे नियरेस्ट MNCME में गई, माई ममा सजेस्टेड मी टू गो टू एन डॉक्टर, वहाँ पे आप RT-PCR कर सकते हैं। देन आई सेड वाई टू पुट मनी एंड गो टू सम हॉस्पिटल टू गेट इट टेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग। लाइक मुझे रिलायबल नहीं लगा प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में चेक करना। सो इसीलिए आई वेंट टू अ म्यूनसिपैलिटी MNCME which we have that which is in municipality Navi Mumbai Corporation here. So I went there and luckily it was open on Sunday. So I went and my dad and me went there and we said that we want to do a COVID test. So I just went inside and they asked, do you have any symptoms? Like I said, yeah, I am having cough and cold. Like, so immediately he just put the swab test he has done, and within I could say within seconds he decided, like he said that you are actively COVID positive. And I was like in a shattered mindset, what exactly is this, कि ये क्या हो गया। like I hadn't any clue out of it कि मुझे कोविड होने वाला है। मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि चलो अगर होगा तो ये जो नया वायरस है वो हो सकता है। सो आई वॉज इन टू दैट माइंड सेट, क्योंकि वो नवी मुंबई और उस एरिया में जहाँ मैं वर्क करती हूँ, उस एरिया में वो फैला हुआ है, सो दैट वाज इनटू माय माइंडसेट. बट कोविड हो जाएगा, एंड देन दे डिड दिस RAT टेस्ट. And after doing that RAT test, usually people go with RAT and this RT-PCR. But these people, they did not do RAT. They said that they did RAT, but they did not do anti-PCR. They said that once your RAT is present, that, that shows that your antigen is rapid antigen test is positive. That means you are positive. I was not satisfied with it. I kept quiet. I asked them what is next. They said immediately call all your family members. Immediately, whoever is there in your family should come and take the test. They were into very active and aggressive mode, as if like कोई बकरा मिल गया उनको. So I had to call my family. Got completely panicked because I have two small kids at my home, and my family got panicked. It was Sunday, so everyone came down into that center, and everyone got checked. uh, by God grace, everyone were negative, and I was detected as positive. Within a few minutes, the person said that pack your bags and in 10 minutes you are going to COVID center. I said, COVID center? Why? Like, what I have to do there? Like, why are you taking me there? They said, no, it's a protocol, and once you have been infected, you need to go to this, otherwise, you need to go a private hospital. And now I was very much aware about private hospitals. Like, in the month of August itself, I was badly disturbed and suffered into private hospitals and mentally harassed with private hospitals. So I didn't wanted to go to any private hospitals, and I didn't wanted to go to COVID center even. I said them, my house is bigger one. I have my separate bedroom. I'll go to home quarantine. He said, no, you can't go to home quarantine. There is a bigger center in Vashi. You need to go there. So I was like clueless. They said, I'm giving you 10 minutes, go and pack your bag and ask somebody to pack your bag. You're not allowed to go home. Ask somebody to pack your bag, and there is a bus standing outside. At that place, you need to go. So this all thing really made me in very blank mode. Like, I was not knowing understand. Presence of mind, what I did is that immediately I called up to my office and said that I'm COVID positive, and see to it that whoever has met me should go under the test and be in quarantine. So that I did as a responsible citizen. I took care that whoever I have met in last week, I've asked everyone to go and check and do their quarantine. So this step I did. Then what was happened with me is that these people, my bag, my sister-in-law just packed whatever she got. She packed inside and she gave it to my brother, and I got it at the bus stop where the bus was standing. I saw there were one more guy and me. They took me into a bigger COVID center. And then how is the process? I'll tell you is that they will check your immediately. They will ask you for your Aadhaar card. You need to show the details of your Aadhaar card and the paper where it is written that your RAT test is positive, and they will do the admission process. It was a big queue, and everyone were there in the marks only. Like, it was said like this all are COVID patients only. And then they took a blood test, and I was sent to a bigger, very bigger room, a very bigger space. जैसे रास्ता ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा, इतना बड़ा लॉबी था, इतना बड़ा लॉबी. आई शेयर द फोटोग्राफ्स इवन. इतना बड़ा लॉबी था. उस लॉबी से आई गॉट एन वार्ड रूम. मीन्स आप समझ सकते हो कि कितने कितने बेड्स बनाए थे. तो आई गॉट एन वार्ड रूम एंड द फर्स्ट बेड. I was like in a super duper panic mode when I saw that condition. It was terrified. I was so much terrified seeing that. Oh my god, it's a ladies' ward where you could see everywhere, you could see gents roaming here and there. Excuse me. No proper, there was a bed only given, there is no fan or something. Mattress was of this kind of thing, throw and use, like use and throw kind of that white color paper. That was that mattress given. And then there is a small table given to you, small cupboard given to you. I'll share the photographs, and that way you all need to just be there. So I just kept quite silently sitting over there. And later, when I went to the washroom, oh my god, freak, it was like, oh, 5 toilets for 100 people. I was into a crazy mindset. Oh my god, here I am come for protection, where huge virus is there. The dustbins, the beds, the places, my own cupboard, but the cupboard which has been given was full of shit. Was full of all kind of no the powders, and I don't know what was inside it, and there was no housekeeping. I was like, yeah, मैं कहाँ फंस गई हूँ, कहाँ आ गई हूँ. It was like this way for me. And then I कैसे कैसे तो I got one housekeeping. I said her, and she started no raising her voice and saying कि जो भी है ऐसा ही है, stay. I said like अरे यार ये क्या है. I was in very disturbed mindset. Oh मुझे कोविड हुआ है and this is a punishment for you. Oh my god, government is giving me punishment. एक बड़े से हॉल में you will see hundreds of beds, and that hundreds of beds everyone is just roaming as if they are roaming in a park, and all males and females all together. And my bed was first, only the first bed, where I was so much into a limelight for everyone. Whoever used to come inside used to see me first, so it was like such thing. Then I thought, okay, let me relax first, sit quiet. Evening, the food came. Oh my god, the food was like an uncooked raw potato was given to me, like a vegetable, and they said it's a wonderful food. मैंने कैसे कैसे तो I had that lunch, कैसे कैसे तो I had dinner, and I slept. You won't believe, next day morning my charger was missing. I was like, oh frick, like क्या है ये, charger is missing. अब क्या है, like I was super duper angry. I just screamed. I just said that यार मैं यहाँ क्या करने आई हूँ. I went to the bathroom in the morning, washroom. I saw it was like people just gathered inside that. इतना गंदा माहौल, इतना गंदा, like you can't tolerate it at all. And then I was like, oh my god, I'm freak, I'm shit, like I'm been, यार मैं कहाँ आ गई हूँ. कैसे कैसे तो मैंने वो दिन निकाला. थर्ड डे कैसे कैसे निकाला. Then third day I got a message on my mobile phone saying that you have got an RT-PCR negative. उससे 3 दिन में I was having breathing problem. I was not able to breathing problem मतलब जब को सर्दी होती तो नाक बंद हो जाता है. So नाक बंद हो जाता है, you are not able to breathe in that normal level. So ऐसे मुझे हो रहा था. And been telling each and every doctor who is the, actually I forgot to tell about the doctors over here. There is one simple cabin. I will just show you. I'm shooting here only. I'll just show you. There is one simple cabin here where only one or two sisters are sitting. This is the bed, like this is the bed, and this is the COVID center. This is the dustbin. This is the way of passing has been coming. And there was only one or two sisters sitting over there. And when I used to tell them there is no medicine, they will only give you vitamin tablets and a paracetamol and a cold tablet and a cough syrup. They'll give you that. And then I said them that I am facing problem of breathing, like I'm not able to. What she said, there is a nebulizer over there, put this medicine over there and take breath. Go and put that in your nose. Like I was said, यार मैं क्या करने लिए यहाँ पर आई हूँ, what is this like? So completely it is like I was blank. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. 3 दिन के बाद जब मेरा been going through with so many things. After third day when I get my report of RT-PCR negative, I was like, oh my god, RT-PCR has come negative. Oh, I should have been like, what the hell I'm doing over here? My RT-PCR negative. This I don't have COVID. The same day I had gone for CT scan. I went and said them that my RT-PCR report has come and it has come negative. This shows that I am not COVID. They ignored me and they said आपका red positive है ना, मतलब आप positive हो. I said that is not reliable. It is not reliable. It is shown everywhere that RT-PCR is reliable. That is not reliable. They were not listening to me. Then next day, my CT scan report came. My CT scan report clearly suggested that I don't have any COVID virus. I again went and said them that my CT scan report has come. They were not showing me the report first of all. When I said that I wanted to show it to my doctors, they were not showing me. I forcefully asked them. When the doctor came on round, at that time I just clicked the photos, and I got to know that COVID, this is not there to me. My cousin is a doctor. I forwarded that papers to her. She said that you had a normal flu and cold, and you had antigens into you. Because of that RT test was positive. But when your this RT-PCR test and your CT scan has come normal, means you are a normal. You don't have COVID symptoms. You don't have COVID virus into you. I was relaxed a bit, but the problem starts from here is that I was not allowed at all. They said me कि आपका कोई भी टेस्ट हो, पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव हो, once you are here, means for 10 days or 11 days you are not allowed to go anywhere. I said, freak, like what is this? I called the MNC people. They said that नहीं, वो लोग ही कर सकता है जहाँ आपको भेजा है. हमने तो रैट के बेसिस के ऊपर आपको एडमिट किया है. I said the rat can be it is not reliable. They said नहीं, रैट है तो रैट के बेसिस के ऊपर हमने आपको एडमिट कर दिया. I am talking to the center people. यहाँ पे each doctor is coming and humiliating me and telling me that कि आपका जो भी है, कोई भी टेस्ट हो, I am not going to listen. You need to stay over for 11 days, means 11 days. Then I said, okay, I'm ready to stay by 11 days. But in this 11 days, you tell me that after 11 days, now I am not COVID, okay? If you say, according to you say that COVID virus is there into me. And after 11 days, if the symptoms are, I don't have symptoms, you are not doing any testing even. I asked them, are you all going to do any testing? They said, no, we are not going to do any testing. So without doing any testing, you are declaring that after 11 days, I will be okay and free to face the world. On what grounds? On what basis? So first awareness was that, oh, they don't have a test. Here in the COVID center, they don't do test. So first of all, keep it in your mind. If you are planning to go and get admitted into any COVID center, keep it in your mind that whatever is your test, positive or negative, once you are inside the COVID center, according to the protocol, whatever is the duration to be stayed, they will be making you stay over there. I am been seeing your people जिसको कोई symptoms नहीं है. People are like they are like dancing and doing what not things. Then I asked why it is like that. They said you have come to a normal COVID center. We have not put you in a serious COVID center. You know, what is this like? Now there are 3 stages of COVID: serious, medium, and mild ones. So you are at a mild stage. So you are seeing people over at normal stage. I said then you should have different protocols. No, if it is mild, then I should be released in 3 days. No, everyone has to release in 11 days. Oh my god. Then I've been talked to the main in charge of this center. He has sent some doctors who were like, you know, in a very different mindset. They started bullying me. They started saying you are not VIP, that you are asking for these facilities. You are asking. I said there should be some cleanliness at least. Mosquitoes are biting. There is no fan. And my body has got completely red by doing that. I'm washing my own clothes. I'm coming over here washing my own clothes where I don't have hot water even. I'm bathing with cold water. Who's going to take that guarantee that if something goes here and there, who's going to take that guarantee? He said no guarantee at all. 11 days you need to stay. And very, very rudely insulting in front of everyone. I was like, oh, freak, like what is this? Like I'm stuck. You'll see people doing no, see, I'll just show you one image. See this. At what point you are feeling that this is a COVID center and people are socializing over here? And I just asked him, by staying over here, you say that I will be COVID free. There is no guarantee from anyone. So guys, this is what is the story over here in COVID center. I would like to again highlight few points. If by chance if you come across, I would pray that nobody should come across to such kind of situations. But by chance if you come to such situations, first important thing is that keep all your valuables inside. Don't ever carry any valuables apart. Then you need to have your own mattresses, because these people give you this white linings. This is this white linings, they'll give you this white, this have been asked them to clean it, otherwise this they don't change. Even this is like एक बार आप they don't change this. So you need to bring your own bed sheet. And then guys, be prepared for unhygienic stage, a super duper unhygienic. Whatever damn you do, you need to be with all kind of people over here. The food is like, you can't imagine the food. Apart from that, see, simple thing is किसको चलता है किसको नहीं चलता है. It is like that. For me it was not working, and I am just thinking in my mindset. My only mindset is going this, that abhi if my tests are negative, and when still I am been exposed to COVID, saying that I am rat positive and exposed to COVID, and I have to be into this center. Now it is my fourth day going on, and I need to stay for more 6-7 days. So I am in a different stress level and a mental level. I really don't understand what is going to happen to me next. I've been fighted with everyone. I've been asked that I have a space at my home, let me go home. Nobody has allowed me. Instead they have insulted me, they have bullied me, they have talked in a very harsh manner, and no support, no care, nothing is there. People will just treat you as if they are punishing you, as if you have done some any crime or something. Yeah, one positive thing I'll tell you, they're checking my sugar level, they're checking my oxygen level. Apart from that, nothing they are doing. So कोई मुझे बोला कि you should be thankful to government, that government has given such a wonderful facility and they are keeping you at a safe place away from your family. Now audience, please you decide that should I be thankful to government, or should I take this as a suffering or a punishment, or what should I take this like? I really don't know. Apart from that, my stress level has gone so high that I have been not able to think कि बाबा 10 दिन के बाद मैं यहाँ से बाहर निकलने के बाद would I be very healthy, or what will be my like what will happen to me. So guys, don't, for me a lesson I could say, this is a lesson. So if you have got some symptoms, so few of my friends who got symptoms, they have been played very wisely. They just see, any flu takes 4 to 5 days to settle down, and I was double vaccinated. So double vaccinators, again, it is very mild, like it just goes and comes and goes like a flu. So don't get panic. If you feel you want to visit a doctor to a private hospital. If you come to COVID centers, if you come to these government centers, they will definitely harass your family, they will definitely harass you, and they are definitely, because they have got their targets to complete. One more point I forgot to tell you all, that see, the cases when they say that it has been increased, like almost 10,000 has been increased, 20,000 has been increased, I'll tell you how they are counting. They are just seeing the most of the people have been talked over here is that they just see the rat test is positive, symptom is there or not there, rat test is positive, the person is admitted inside, irrespective to their RT-PCR test or any test. The one test it comes positive means you are COVID positive, and this is the reason why government has so many times said that RT-PCR is relevant and rat test is not reliable, but these people don't listen, and they have to finish some targets, they have to give the number, and they keep this person active till I guess 11-12 days. So this is the reason you see the cases are being increased. According to my knowledge, if it is 10,000, then only 5,000 people are active COVID. Others are, they are non-COVIDs, but they are purposely termed as COVIDs. So I really don't know what racket is going on over here, what exactly is, but I am going to suffer for more 6 days now, and it is going to go horrible. I'm very scared about opening my. I have brought my laptop, but I'm scared of to open my laptop even. I'm scared like I'm been wearing ornaments. I'm scared about कि मैं रात को सो जाऊंगी तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. I'm scared about the the housekeeping staff भी ऐसी है कि आप कुछ भी सामान ऊपर नहीं रख सकते. Whom to blame? किसको आप ब्लेम करोगे? इट्स एन कंप्लीट ओपन फोरम ओवर हियर. ओपन पीपल आर जस्ट सोशलाइजिंग. किसको ब्लेम करोगे? कौन क्या लेकर गया? सो दिस इज़ अ टेरिफाइड एटमॉस्फेयर ओवर हियर. So please, you all just take your own measures. Your what mistakes have been done, I treated it as a mistake because अगर मैं प्राइवेट में गई होती तो बी वेरी फ्रैंक मेरा RT-PCR टेस्ट उन्होंने किया होता and I would have asked, I would have got an option to be at home because RT-PCR test is more reliable, and even privates has their own rackets, but we do have choices that whether to go or whether not to go. But government does not give choices to you. They just forcefully put you in the van and they just will bring you over here. So this is what is the story of COVID which has been happened. Pray for me. Let me see how I'll come out from this and what will be my mental stage after 6-7 days. It is really, I am at a stage like you could see from my face that this is not the way of presentation. It's not me. Like I'm in very disturbed mindset now, because this is what I have never imagined, where we were saying COVID warriors are there, this is there, that is there. It is like they damn care. They damn care. Who are you? They damn care either you are infected or non infected. आपको आया है, रहना है, finish your 11 days and walk away. They damn care. आपका कोविड है नहीं है, आपका क्या रिपोर्ट है क्या नहीं रिपोर्ट है, they damn care. And if you speak something more, they are going to talk to you in such a manner that you have never heard. So I really don't know. This is what is the case over here. So guys, hope like you have got the point, and hope that I come back soon and bring a very beautiful video to you. So bye bye and have a nice life. Stay protected, stay healthy, and keep praying. Bye bye.